Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Super Center. Taking you aboard a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Boat's equipped with twin 300 Mercury Verados, joystick piloting. It's got the fishing package, which gives you these 3 rod holders across the transom, tulip rod holders, rocket launchers on top of the hard top. Let's go in. Lots of seating on this boat. It's a really great family boat. You can do some fishing, can do some cruising, go to the Bahamas, go to the Keys. Lots of deck space back here. Dynamic seating concepts where you can transition the seats to different positions. Over here we got our summer kitchen area with a 12-volt refrigerator, live bait well, barbecue grill, as well as a freshwater hand basin. Looking forward, the boat is equipped joystick piloting. Got your trim tabs, Raymarine VHF radio, Fusion stereo, large 16-inch Axiom Pro screen, as well as a Mercury 7-inch vessel view. We open up the port side, and there's a nice cabin down here. Turns into a berth, or you can leave it right there like a couch. And opposing that is your head area. Vacuum flush toilet, teak seat, shower, everything you need to be for a day on the water. This right here is the filler cushion we get in the center to make this a sun pad. Lots of ample, comfortable seating in the bow. Flush deck, freshwater shower, and then your anchor windlass. Guys, this boat is available. MarineMax Pompano Beach, 2020 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage, 954-633-2070.